Google's AI tool called Pomelli just launched a new feature called Photoshoot, which allows you to generate professional photos of your product within minutes. This is a game changer for companies and small business owners as you do not have to spend as much time and money as before in order to get the photos that you need. The tool Pomelli itself has been around for a while, and it's pretty cool because it can pull all kinds of branding information from your business website and then give you suggested campaigns. With this new feature, Photoshoot, you can now generate images that can be used hand in hand with the campaigns found in Pomelli. Let's check it out. So this is what Pomelli looks like when you first enter the link. It shows you 3 steps right here: generating your business DNA, which is pretty much your branding kit, get campaign ideas, and then finally generate creatives, which is the new Photoshoot feature that allows you to retrieve professional shots just from any kind of basic images that you have. So when you select Let's Go, it asks you to enter your business website, and I do not have one, so I'm just going to pull up a random one. I have this one right here called Pet Snacks, and you will just copy and paste your link of your business website and then select Continue. It will take a good 5 minutes to generate your business link, and it's basically pulling all the branding settings from your website, like your fonts, your images, and colors, and basically setting up your business DNA. Once that is done, it's going to look something like this. And it's pretty cool. So it shows you your business title. It pulled out your logo, your fonts, your colors, tagline, brand values, all the images from your website. And you can also upload more images if you want. This is basically a cool setup because it means you are saving time not having to upload everything manually in order to get your photos for your professional shots. The second thing you'll notice is campaigns, which I'm not going to go through a lot here. This is an existing feature that was already in Pomelli for a while, but what it can do is basically suggest campaigns for you from those existing images on your website. So for example, Easter is coming up. There's a Easter campaign here that was automatically generated using images, the font style that you have, and also the colors from your website. And to edit any of these, you would just select on them, and then you can update the header, you can update the description, and also generate more new images if you want. So very easy to tweak any of these campaigns to your likings. The feature today that we're interested in, which is new, is the Photoshoot feature. So as you can see here, it gives you 2 options to create a product photo shoot and generate or edit an image. I'm going to select create a product photo shoot. And what's cool is that it already can select images from your website as pulled earlier on using your business DNA. But you can also upload new images if you have something else that you want that was not already on your website that you would like to create a photo shoot for. I'm just going to select one of these existing ones so you can see what it looks like and select looks good. And now what it's going to do is generate different kind of photo shoot templates for you. So I'm going to select photo shoot templates. As you can see, it recommended 4 type of templates to use: studio, in use, contextual, and then flat lay. So I'm going to tweak this a little bit. I am still going to keep the studio feature, which is basically the white background with the picture of the image of your product. The second one that I'm going to choose is in use. And because this is a pet snack, I'm hoping that it would generate some sort of an image of a puppy eating the treat. The third one that I would like to choose is ingredients. So I'm going to deselect contextual and select ingredient. Finally, I'm going to deselect flat lay and I'm going to select Easter, since that is like the next upcoming holiday that's around. So there's going to be a lot of social marketing campaigns for products, and most probably going to be a lot of people who want to buy Easter treats for their little furry animals. And all right, so we have the 4 types of templates chosen, and now we're going to select looks good. And what it's basically going to do is create a photo shoot using the product image and the photo shoot templates that we use. So it takes a few minutes to generate all these images, so we're going to come back and look at them. All right, so as you can see, the images have been generated from this image. So we have the studio, we have the contextual, so you see a pet owner handing out the treat to the puppy. Finally, the ingredient template that we chose, you can see like it has like a steak here, and then I think that's thyme. So it's showing context of what kind of ingredients you can find in the treat. And then finally, also the Easter photo shoot template that we wanted. And what's really cool is that if you do not like any of these images, you can go ahead and select edit and tweak the image using prompts. So for example, let's say I feel like there's not enough ingredients on this image. I want more. So I'm going to say, please include 1 more ingredient to this image. And then it's going to go ahead and generate and then you're going to give it some time for it. And here's what it looks like after. It looks like you added some sort of chia seeds, which is another ingredient that might be in the Petri. So I'm going to go back here and go back to my images. Now that you have your images, there's 3 things you can do. You can create a campaign with the newly generated images, add it back to your business DNA here with all the existing images from your website. Or you can also just go ahead and download all the images and use it in any kind of social media platforms or other apps that you typically would use to schedule out your campaigns or photos. One more thing I would like to try is to upload a very basic photo of an existing product and see how well Pomelli generates new professional photos for that product. In this case, I'm going to go back to the business DNA and I'm going to upload the image of my sunscreen that I use every day. This is not my product. It's a Hakuro Wonder sunscreen. So I just took a photo of it against a white table and I'm going to upload it right now. As you can see, my sunscreen has been uploaded right here. Obviously, it's very random against all the other products, which are pet snacks, but this is just a demonstration. So I'm going to go back to Photoshoot. And one thing you want to make sure is that when you have generated any kind of photos already, you would want to save them before you exit. So make sure you download all the images that you need before exiting a Photoshoot launch. So I'm going to go ahead, select exit, and now I'm going to generate new photos using the existing sunscreen product that I uploaded right here. So let's see what Pomelli comes up with. All right, so we're going to go ahead and select edit. So since this is a beauty product, you'll notice that it automatically pulled from the beauty product templates. As you can see, they have others like the general, fashion, consumables, and home. So all this looks good to me. I'm going to go ahead and select looks good. And then we're going to go ahead and select create photo shoot. As you can see, these are the images generated of my very basic photo of my sunscreen. I think these turned out really good. This one's upside down, so I'm going to basically edit it later to rotate it the correct way. But pretty cool. Look at all these ingredients right here. We have someone using the product and also a Easter photo to go for our Easter campaign. I would say I'm pretty impressed. This would have taken me more time and money to get the same results. So this is a real game changer for a lot of business owners, especially small business owners who don't have the capacity and the budget to run photo shoots all the time. So that's the new photo shoot feature of Pomelli. What do you think of this new update? Do you think this would help your business? And also, what do you think the tool still lacks? If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to my channel if you'd like to learn more about different AI tools, workflows, and automations. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.